Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll use our breath as a center point to create calm, focused energy. Begin by finding a comfortable seat. Let your back straighten without creating tension. Relax your shoulders and arms, and gently place your hands in your lap. And when you're ready, slowly close your eyes. Now, let your attention turn towards your breath. Start to deepen and lengthen your inhales and exhales. Slow breaths in, long breaths out. And now, let your breathing settle back to an easy, natural rhythm. Without controlling or shaping your breath, notice your body as it spontaneously breathes in and out. And see if you can feel the sensations of your body breathing, one breath at a time. And you might notice that your mind has wandered off into thought. It's perfectly normal to get distracted. When you do, simply acknowledge your thoughts by silently saying, thinking, and then gently come back to watching your breath. Our body effortlessly takes in life with each new breath and releases stale air with each exhale. So bring a sense of appreciation to your breath as you stay with its full cycle. Notice your whole breath from the beginning of your inhale to the very end of your exhale. And see if you can tap into the landscape of sensations as you spontaneously breathe in and out. Now, slowly bring your awareness back into the room around you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and let your eyes softly open. Make a point of noticing your breath from time to time today, and let's meet back here again tomorrow.